Hi friends, let's scramble some text and let's get right into it. In the edit page we go to the effects library, and in the titles we choose text plus and drag it on our timeline. Then we go to the inspector, type our text. I give it a nice font, color. For the dramatic effect I give it a red outline, make it bigger. Then I right click in the text box and choose text scramble. Once I did that, I'm going to the Fusion page by clicking here on that Fusion icon. And in the Fusion page in the inspector, I go to the modifiers. I make sure that the playhead is at frame 0. I keyframe the randomness and then I drag the randomness to my liking. Then I make sure to go to the keyframe where I want to have the text readable again. And here I drag the randomness all the way to 0. And that's it. So we can play it here, but I go back to the edit page and play it in full screen. And there you have it. I hope you have fun with this. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.